Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jacqueline Price, and I want to come to you today and share with you how to delete inactive friends on your Facebook profile. So, guys, on my journey working online, I've been working full time from home since 2018, and it's been actually an amazing journey. And I'm just excited about what um, is to come. And I know that, I wanted to share this tool with you that I found today, how you can delete inactive friends on your timeline. And so this is my Facebook page here. And as you can see, I have a new tool, delete inactive friends. So guys, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the little button so you don't miss any amazing updates. And be sure to like and comment down below and check out my #1 income opportunity that I'll be listed down in the profile. So let's get to it. Like I say, this is my new tool, and we're going to go here and I'm going to log in. It's Social Prospector. And I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you how to delete inactive friends on your Facebook profile. Because a lot of times you'll have like so many different friends on your profile and they're inactive. And so you don't want to, they're not engaging with you. And so you want to delete them. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to log in here to Facebook. See if we can get logged in. And then I can show you exactly how to do this. This tool is absolutely amazing. It has a lot of features, but today we're going to check out how to delete inactive friends. And so what we're going to do here, just going to click, going to let it kind of load up. We're going to click here, inactive. Okay, wait a minute. Go back to home. So here. So actually it's kind of loading up the friends right now. So I'm just going to go over some of the things that the tool, the different aspects of this particular tool. This tool is amazing. You can add friends with it. You can go into groups and add friends. You can mass messenger. You can uh, uh, the inactive friends. You can organize it like from the oldest to the newest. There's a group inviter, and there's also extras back here where you can the post lover tool where you can just love on people's posts. You can cancel friend requests that you may have sent and they haven't accepted. There's a comment, automatic comment replier. There's a watch party inviter. I mean, there is so much back here that can help you automate the things that you do to make your Facebook profile absolutely amazing. So now let's go back up here to home. It's loading up my friends. Go back up here to home. And what we're going to do is we're going to try the last 7 posts and see what happens. I'm going to click on, let it load up. Still loading up friends right now. Shouldn't take much longer. But guys, yes, this tool it will help you automate some of the things that you do on Facebook, and it helps you to save time, and it'll take the dead weight off your Facebook profile. Because if you're looking for more engagement and you're looking for the people who engage with you, those are the friends that you want. And so sometimes, we can have friends on our profile that are not engaging, and then sometimes they're just inactive. And so those are the people that you want to delete from your profile so that your profile will be more attractive and you'll get more engagement. and you'll get more eyeballs on your business so you can get more sales. So, still loading. Let's see here. Still loading. So it's kind of like you want to let it kind of load up the friends to your profile. The tool is adding, it's just finding your friends that are active right now, adding them all in there. It's loading your friends list. And actually, I can go and show you how you can add. Let me show you this. This one. Okay, wait, let's go back here. I think it's almost done. I'm still adding. It's still loading them up. So guys, look, you can even delete deactivated profiles. You know, like profiles that are where people have just deactivated their profiles. You can delete those. Those are the main people that you do not want on your friend list. If they have already deleted their profile, you want to remove them. Okay, so all the friends are loaded. So now here you can see where the post in last 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 365 days. So we're going to do 7 days, and then I could show you, and it'll just take time here, and it's going to just pull up the deactive friends. It's going to go with my last post in 7 days. So it shouldn't take a long time, but we're going to see what comes up. So it scanned one post already. It'll just show you how the post will be scanned. The number just keeps going up and up. So it shouldn't be a whole lot because I don't have a lot of posts out there within the last 7 days. So now it's actually finding inactive friends. So I don't know how long that may take. But this is how you get it done with deleting inactive friends on Facebook. This tool is absolutely amazing. And we're just going to wait and just see what comes up. We're going to actually see what comes up. Okay. Wow. Now this is absolutely amazing. So now you can go through, if it's someone that you want to keep on your profile, you keep them. And then what you do is you just go through, go all the way down to the bottom, because it's showing like 3216 inactive, and I know that that number is kind of high, but remember I did it for the last 7 days, and so that was only about 3 or 4 posts. So what I do is I go down to the bottom and I just start deleting people that I know that have not interacted on my profile in a while. And that's what I do. So guys, you're going to get to see me delete. I'm going to delete about 10 today. I'm going to delete about 10 people, and then I'm going to end this video. And I'm going to put the link down below so that you can see it. So you can take a look at this tool. Actually, there's a free trial where you can actually get it and you can test it out. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you come here and you hit the remove button. Amount of friends to remove before pausing. I'm just going to say 25 because I only have 10. And then it starts to remove them. just like that. Starting to remove 10 friends. It's absolutely an amazing tool to delete inactive friends from your Facebook profile. You want to always remove inactive friends from your Facebook profile because they're just keeping it messes with the algorithm and it keeps your posts from being seen when you have a lot of inactive friends. So there's 3, there's 4, 5, 6. Guys, this tool is absolutely amazing. Be sure to check out the link that's going to be underneath the video to check out there is a 3-day trial, and then after the trial, then that's it. And then you remove them just like that, and that's it. They're gone. And so, guys, this has been gonna go back over here. So this, oops, take this off. So this is how the tool works. There are many features to this amazing tool, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And I really do like it. I think you're gonna love it as well because it has a lot of features. So be sure and check it out, and check out my #1 opportunity for earning income at home that's going to be listed below. This has been Jackie Price, and I will talk to you guys later on the next video.